This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta noodles at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a pinch of salt. Using room temperature eggs helps them incorporate more easily into the flour, creating a smoother dough. This foundational step is crucial for achieving that perfect pasta texture. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Create a well in the center of your 2 cups of flour on a clean work surface. Crack the 2 eggs directly into this well. Slowly incorporate the flour from the edges into the eggs using a fork. Once combined, knead the dough vigorously for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Then, cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. After resting, your dough is ready to be transformed into noodles. Divide the dough into 4 manageable portions. Take 1 portion and roll it out very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. You can use a pasta machine for uniform results or a rolling pin for a more rustic feel. Once rolled, cut the dough into your preferred noodle shape, like fettuccine or tagliatelle. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your delicious homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh noodles and cook them for just 2 to 4 minutes or until they are perfectly al dente. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried, so keep a close eye on it. Drain quickly, toss with your favorite sauce, and serve immediately. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.